Hi all, this is Vignesh Kumar. In this video, we're going to see about lecture series number 1. In this video, we are going to speak about virtual reality. That is, virtual reality is a computer-generated environment which stimulates the realistic experiences. And that is, in a virtual world, we are going to do numerous number of things. That is, it enables the immersive themselves in virtual world interact with if we were real. And significantly, that is, we will be wearing a head mounted devices. From the head mounted devices, what happens is that we are going to have a immersive technology. This immersive technology does not know what is meant by real world. That is, real world scene will not be seen. From the real world scene that I have seen, we are going to immersive in the virtual space itself. That is, this is a stimulating realistic experiences for a user in a virtual world. And this virtual reality has been used in the fields such as gaming, uh, gaming and training field, medication and training field. Next slide, you are going to see about what is meant by virtual reality. The virtual reality is, will be speaking about definition of VR, types of VR, and key components. The definition, normally the definition consisting of virtual reality is an immersive technology that creates simulated environment. That is, this is immersive technology. From the immersive, we are not able to see overall real world environment. Instead, we are going to see about a virtual environment. That is, it's an immersive technology that creates and stimulated environment. Next, we are going to see about types of VR. There are 4 types. First one is 3 types. First one is non-immersive VR, semi-immersive VR, fully immersive VR, and normal. That's normal. Another type is immersive VR. That's types of VR. That is non-immersive, semi-immersive, and fully immersive VR, and fully immersive VR. Next, we have key components. That is the components which is used for VR. That is something, but it includes hardware like headset, that is head-mounted devices, software like applications and input devices. So basically, virtual reality is immersive technology that creates a stimulated environment. It consisting of non-immersive, semi-immersive, and fully immersive VR. The key components consisting of headset, software like application and input devices. Next, in this video, we are going to see about application of VR. First application consists of gaming. That is normally there will be VR games will be there. The VR games consisting of having head-mounted devices. These head-mounted devices are used virtual to feel a virtual environment. That is, VR has revolutionized the gaming industry, providing players with immersive experiences that traditional gaming, which cannot match. That is, which cannot match with the real world environment. That it adds an enhancing engagement and excitement. It cannot match with the real world. Instead, it have engagement, enhancing engagement and excitement. Next, we will have education and training field. In the education and training field, we consisting of that is, we will be having education field to easily observe of the scenarios. That is, moreover, students, if we have a non-safety experiments or risk factor experiments will be more. This risk factor experiment can be implemented using the term called VR. That is, the education and training institute will be used. That is, VR is used in education settings to stimulate real life scenarios. That is, it is to stimulate real life scenarios where it allows students to practice skills. That is, it allows the students to practice skills safely and effectively using such as medicine, aviation, and in engineering. Third, we will be using therapy and rehabilitation. This therapy rehabilitation consisting of for medical reasons, and this therapeutic VR which is able to look cool, come under a medication treatment such that it will be used for medication treatment. Next, in real estate and architecture, before building the home or building the house, will be VR application will be created. Based on VR application will be implemented. It satisfies the user need. Next, we will be having the benefits of VR. The first benefit of VR is nothing but enhanced engagement. And next, we will have safety learning environment, and we have personalized experiences and innovative storytelling. The enhanced engagement consisting of attention and provide the engagement to traditional media which cannot offer or making experience more impactful. Next, we will have personalized experiences. That is we have safe learning environment, so we'll be having safe learning environment.